With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
In this question, they've given us 4 statements in reference to the embryo, and out of these, we have to find the incorrect statements. So, we all know that the structure associated with the embryo in case of the flowering plants or the angiosperms is the seed. Seed is actually nothing but a fertilized ovule, because inside the ovule we find the ovum, we find the female gamete. So when the male gamete is going to fertilize this female gamete, the egg which was enclosed inside, it's going to develop into the embryo, and this embryo which is enclosed inside the seed coat is known as the seed. So basically seed is just a structure of propagation. It is a product of sexual reproduction which is formed so that whenever this embryo gets the favorable conditions, the seed can germinate and the young plant can come out of the seed coat to establish as a new individual. So if we talk about the structure of a seed, basically inside the seed, in the embryo, we are going to find 2 parts. On one hand, we have the embryonal axis. On the other hand, we have the cotyledon. Now, cotyledon is a single large structure in the case of monocotyledonous flowering plants, and there are 2 cotyledons in the case of dicotyledonous flowering plants. So these are the main 2 groups into which the flowering plants have been divided on the basis of number of cotyledons in their seed, in their embryo. So let us look at the statements they have given us. First they are saying typical dicot embryo consists of embryonal axis and 2 cotyledons. So this statement is correct. This is what we were just discussing about. The embryo consists of embryonal axis and the cotyledons, and in case of the dicots there are 2 cotyledons. Next they are saying portion of the embryonal axis above level of cotyledons is called hypocotyl. So this statement is not correct. The portion of the embryonal axis which is above the level of the cotyledons is known as the epicotyl, and the portion which is below is known as the hypocotyl. So statement B turns out to be incorrect. Next, in the third statement they are saying portion below the level of cotyledons is epicotyl. So again, it's an incorrect statement. The lower portion is called hypocotyl, upper portion is epicotyl. Next they are saying epicotyl terminates with the stem tip, is known as a plumule, and the hypocotyl terminates with the root tip. Because it is the lower portion, it terminates with the root tip or the radicle. So out of the 4 statements which have been given to us, statement B and C are incorrect because they have given the position of epicotyl and the hypocotyl, which we are going to find in the seed, incorrectly. So here our correct answer will be option B. We have to identify the incorrect statements. They are B and C.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.